So I'm going to show you how to break down a coconut, and we're starting right now. So the thing I love about coconuts is they're the type of fruit that just give and give and give. And what do I mean by that? Well, there's so many applications that stem from a coconut. You can extract the coconut water, and from the meat, you can make your own coconut milk or coconut oil, and you can also dehydrate the coconut meat and keep it for pretty much 6 months to 1 year. And after you break down this coconut, you're gonna be left with a souvenir for years to come. So without further ado, let's get into the kitchen, and I'm gonna show you how to break down this coconut. And don't worry, we're not gonna need any hammers or screwdrivers for this one. Alright, so here is our coconut, and each coconut is going to have these germination holes. And there's always going to be 3 of them, and this is where we're going to extract our coconut water from. So the tool I'm going to be using to extract the coconut water is this corkscrew right here. And I'm going to insert my corkscrew into one of the holes. And with each coconut, there's always going to be one of the holes that are a lot softer than the other 2. So you're going to have to kind of test them out. So to ensure my coconut water comes out nice and clean, I'm going to add a sieve on top of my glass before pouring my coconut water in. And depending on the hole you made and the coconut, sometimes it'll come out in these small drips, and sometimes it'll come out in a nice thin stream. And here is our much needed vacation in a glass. Alright, moving on to opening up our coconut. So we're going to use the spine of our knife. We're not going to use the blade. No, that is dangerous. We're going to use the spine, and we're going to focus around the equator of our coconut. And we're going to pivot our body so we don't hit ourselves with that knife. And we just want to hammer that coconut with the spine of our knife. And we're just going to keep using the spine of our knife to hammer that coconut's equator. And as you can see, there's a crack forming. Once you've made that crack all the way through, it'll just open like so. And next I'm going to show you how to remove the meat from this coconut. So just put it onto a tray, and we're going to bake this at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And once you remove it from the oven, just place it down on your cutting board and let it cool for about 5 minutes. And you're going to take a butter knife or paring knife, and you're going to put it in between the shell and the meat of the coconut, and we want to kind of pry it out. So you're just going to insert it in between and turn your knife until it just kind of pops out. And then we'll do that with the second half of the coconut. And then you're going to be left with these 2 coconut shells. And these make for some really cool serving bowls. Next we're going to take a peeler, and we're just going to remove that thin layer of brown coconut skin. And there is our coconut meat. And I'm just gonna rinse this now under water. And there is our cleaned coconut. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to preserve your coconut. So with the rim of the coconut, you wanna shave off these flakes here. And then you're gonna put these flakes onto a baking tray. And you're gonna put this into your oven at the lowest temperature setting possible. At least 150 degrees or lower if possible. And you're gonna dehydrate these for about 1 to 2 hours until they can easily snap when you bend them. So that is it, pretty straightforward. If you found yourself with a whole coconut in your fridge and didn't know how to proceed, then I really hope this video helped. And fresh coconut meat is amazing as an addition to your smoothies, or you can shave it like I showed you in the video and add it to a Caribbean inspired salad. So if you like content like this, or if you like videos like this, if you like my channel, definitely subscribe and comment down below on what kind of fruits and vegetables you want to see me break down. So I'm out of here, and that is it for today's video. But until next time, keep on cooking.